This is Building 602, the Fine Arts Building, and that sound is the fire alarm. There's a flashing light strobe.
Attention please, there has been a report of an emergency. Proceed calmly to the nearest exit and leave the building immediately. Do not use the elevators. Use stairwells where necessary. All
We walk to the exit.
shall use the building evacuation plan.
The alarm gets louder in the hallway. I look for the exit and walk toward the exit. We follow the teacher's instructions.
Proceed calmly to the nearest exit and leave the building immediately. Do not
Ah,
use the elevators.
there's the exit.
Use stairwells where necessary. All handicapped occupants shall use the building evacuation plan.
And we are outside.